गण अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्ज्वल जलधि तरंग। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा। जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
I request all the students to be seated and join your hand for the Saraswati Vandana. Join your hands for the Saraswati Vandana. Let's start Saraswati Vandana.
या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युत शङ्कर प्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा। शुक्लां ब्रह्मविचारसार परमाम् आद्यां जगद्व्यापिनीं वीणापुस्तकधारिणीम् अभयदाम् जाड्यान्धकारापहाम्। हस्ते स्फाटिकमालिकां विदधतीं पद्मासने संस्थितां वन्दे तां परमेश्वरीं भगवतीं बुद्धिप्रदां शारदाम्।
Okay, now that we are done with our national anthem and our prayer, let us begin our assembly. Every year on the first day, Madam Rajani addresses the students' assembly. I request Madam to address our students today as well.
A very good morning to each one of you present in this virtual school assembly. My dear students, how I am missing your non-stop banter and excited look on your first day of school, catching up with your old friends, teachers, and curious to know who is your class teacher for this year. We are unable to meet in person due to the exceptional situation as we normally do at the start of the academic year. Extraordinary situations require extraordinary solutions. So today I am connecting live to welcome you to the new academic year. We are all familiar with the saying, change is the only constant, but in all sincerity, no one amongst us expected this drastic change in COVID. Sorry, I paused because I have muted. There were some people who unmuted themselves. COVID-19 has brought unforeseen changes in all spheres. Some changes will be transitional as normalcy returns, but some changes will become permanent and will be the new normal. Among the changes which are transitional is our new system of teaching the online way, which we have already oriented you on Saturday. I am confident that this change is temporary and we will certainly overcome this pandemic and very soon meet in our school premises with renewed fervor and full of ideas to plan and implement new activities. Once again, I welcome you all and take you to your class teachers for this academic year. Standard 8A, Aarti Adhyapak, and Standard 8B, Bhola Thakur sir. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. As we know, we have joined this meeting not just to start our academic year, but also because we are celebrating the 4th International Malkham Day today. And on this occasion, we have with us the international Malkham icon, Shri Uday Deshpande ji. I welcome Deshpande ji today for our assembly. I think all of us should welcome him at home without unmuting yourself. Just clap so that we welcome him. We also have our management members here with us, so we welcome them as well. And to begin our the celebration of International Malkham Day, I request Rajani Madam to introduce our guest to all of us.
It is indeed a great privilege and honor for me to welcome the chief guest of the day, Shri Uday Vishwanath Deshpande ji, the Malkham International icon. Recipient of the Shri Shiv Chhatrapati Award conferred by the government of Maharashtra, Dadoji Konde Award for his contribution as a coach, Jeevan Gaurav Award for his lifetime work for Malkham. The Malkham legend, Uday Vishwanath Deshpande ji, is described as a man on a mission. Having dedicated most of his life towards nurturing and promoting the ancient Indian sport of Malkham with fervor and single-minded focus, Deshpande ji's contribution to the field has been immense. His own prowess as a player of Malkham went a long way in this process. Being a reputed national level player of Malkham in the early 70s, him to achieve a natural feel for the sport and to understand the unique demands of a sport like Malkham. As a result, his approach has been two-folded. On one hand, he has coached and created several outstanding Malkham players, both within the country and abroad. On the other hand, he has helped organize over 100 Malkham demonstrations and camps within India and has taken Malkham to large audiences spread over a dozen countries around the world. Beside this, by actively networking with and participating in events organized by other bodies in the field of Malkham, he has been instrumental in creating policies regarding the sport framing syllabi for courses and generally building an environment in which this sport will be able to thrive. However, it is in the small things that one sees the real work done by this man. Despite his heavy schedules, he personally trains visually challenged children from the School for the Blind to perform on the rope. A simple, down-to-earth man, he always has time for anyone who wants to know about the sport and is willing to teach it himself and participate in all programs. When our Vidyanidhi chairman Shri Sanjeev Mantriji called him, he immediately accepted the invitation, having a bond with our late Shri Ram Mantriji and Vidyanidhi. He is also a centurion blood donor. He has many more social responsibilities carrying on his shoulders successfully. What a proud moment for all of us today to witness this legend live on the first ever virtual assembly today. Once again, welcome you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. We welcome you all again. Today, we are celebrating 4th International Malkham Day. We have Mayank Padia from class 8th A here to give a speech on this. I invite Mayank Padia. Mayank, unmute yourself and go ahead. Mayank Padia.
Mayank, you have not unmuted yourself. Please unmute yourself and start the speech. Priyanka ma'am, okay.
Yeah, Mayank, go ahead.
Good morning, Principal Madam, management members, our chief guest Shri Uday Deshpande ji, guests, all my teachers and my dear fellow students. I am Mayank Padia from 8th. Today I am going to give a story about birth of Malkham. Malkham is one of the few sports which provides complete exercise to entire body. The Malkham derives the terms Mal means wrestler and Kham means pole, which tells the complete meaning of Malkham. The story of Malkham begins at the time of second Bajirao Peshwas in 17th century. Wrestling competition was best type of exhibition for the people. Balambat Dada Devdar was the wrestler in Peshwa's Darbar. Ali and Ghulam were the two worldwide wrestlers roaming around the world and gave challenges to wrestlers. They were both huge and dynamic wrestlers. One day, Ali and Ghulam came at Peshwa's Darbar and challenged for the wrestling match. Looking at them, no one was ready to accept the challenge. For the sake of Peshwa's reputation, Balambat Dada Devdar accepted the challenge and demanded 21 days for preparation. Balambat Dada Devdar went to his native place, Kothure, Nasik, for prayers of his family goddess, Saptashrungi Devi at Wadi. At one night, Saptashrungi Devi came in Balambat Dada's dreams and told him that Lord Maruti personally will teach him the tricks of wrestling. On the next day, Balambat Dada walking after his prayer, he saw one big monkey doing some tricks on the tree. He got an idea. He made a wooden pole and started those tricks and activities on that pole. As Balambat Dada committed after 21 days, Ali came at Peshwa's Darbar and in a wrestling match, he beat Ali within 2 minutes. Looking at Ali's unbelievable defeat, Ghulam got scared and ran away. For Peshwa's image, Balambat Dada accepted the challenge and defeated them with the help of prayer and tricks and practiced on wooden pole. Let me share some benefits of Malkham. It's a combination of yoga, gymnastics and martial arts. It was originally practiced to develop the strength, grace, swiftness and flexibility for youth. I would recommend to everyone to adopt Malkham in their lifestyle. I hope you like the story of birth of Malkham. Like Balambat Dada, believe in yourself and do hard work. Thank you, and I am really thrilled to speak in today's online assembly, which I am sure no other school has conducted. Thank you once again.
Thank you, man. Thank you so much. A loud applause for him. Now, as you all know, my dear student, that today is the 4th International Malkham Day, and Malkham was very close to the heart of our beloved Mantri, Sir Shri Ram Mantri ji. As you all know, that we celebrate this day, various stunning performance by you all you do. On this occasion, our school founder Shri Ram Mantri ji, sir, would come and cherish this moment by offering his blessing. I even remember his blessing today and his slogan, Balbir ki jai, Bajrang Bali ki jai. Let's see the video clip, please.
सिंहगती प्रमाणबद्ध शरीरस्थी रूढ बाहू मनगटी शरीरास देई बळकटी रुद्र छाती सिंहगती प्रमाणबद्ध शरीरस्थी ऋषी मुनींचे महाराष्ट्र नमस्कार रे माझा प्राचीन मल्लखांबा
मलखांब आज मजला सर्वात प्रिय आहे मलखांब आज मजला सर्वात प्रिय आहे वरदंड स्नायू होती शरीरे सुस्वस्थ घडती आरोग्यपूर्ण प्रकृती मनान कुशाग्र सुमती मलखांब आज मजला सर्वात प्रिय आहे मलखांब आज मजला सर्वात प्रिय आहे
भले भले हनुमाच्या वाघा खरंच चल चल हनुमाच्या म्हणतात चल आहा, वा वा. चल. आहा. स्पर्धा क्रीडापटूंची स्पर्धा क्रीडापटूंची चुरशीने होते हो लढती उलट्या सुट्या कल्लाटी कसरती लीलया करती आडवे उभे फरारे पंचांकडूनही गणती विजयी विरासला बेसन मानली आरती जी जी जय मानली आरती जी जी जय मानली आरती जी 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 योगपट्टू ही येती आसने सहज सिद्ध करती दोरणी स्तंभावरती सफाईने कसरत करती
बजरंग बली धन्यवाद धन्यवाद बजरंग बली बजरंग बली
Such a beautiful video, and it sure does bring back a lot of memories. Today, we have Udayji Deshpande here as our chief guest, and we are celebrating 4th International Malkham Day. It is only obvious that we would expect him to say something to our children. I request Udayji Deshpande to say a few words, please.
Yes, thank you.
Excuse me, Deshpande sir, I think you will need to unmute yourself.
Sorry. Okay. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Basically, I'm not a good orator. I basically ask the children not to speak. Kam jada, baate kam. But here I would like to express myself. When I say Vidyanidhi, always remember Sri Ram Mantriji. He was a fatherly figure to me, and I've learned many, many things from him. And when we started the Malkham Center in the school years ago with Manohar Pawar as a teacher, and he was himself a good Malkham player. So children must be knowing what is Malcolm. I need not tell what is Malcolm, but I can definitely tell you that whatever abilities we require for being a good student, like your memory, like your grasping power, like your discipline, like your mental and physical fitness, all these things come from Malcolm. The physical fitness is the foremost thing, because we know that whatever field we choose for our future, maybe a businessman, maybe a lawyer, maybe a politician, or maybe an engineer, doctor, or anybody. But what we need ourselves is a good physique. And that we get from regular practice of Malcolm. Swami Vivekananda ji also has said that strength is life and weakness is death. So Malcolm makes you strong. And that's why we have to spread Malcolm to each and every part of our country, right from small villages, districts, and the states, and even beyond globally as well. And Malcolm is giving you all the abilities which are required in any kind of sports discipline. So if you want to play any kind of sport, it requires strength, stamina, speed, endurance, flexibility, neuromuscular coordination, balance, confidence, courage. All these things come from Malcolm. I am very happy that Vidyanidhi has started this Malcolm training in the school way back. And many students are learning Malcolm there. And I'm sure within few days, Malcolm will boom, because it has now spread to almost about 35 countries in the world. And the government of India also has adopted Malcolm in indigenous games. It is giving scholarships to the national level players from all the states. It's starting Malcolm centers in all over the country, giving infrastructure, the equipment, providing the coaches. And Malcolm has got a good career option as well. So I thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to speak to the children. And the main motto of it is, let Malcolm be our pride. India has given a lot of pearls to the world. Maybe the concept of zero, the mother of all the languages, the oldest university, Takshashila, the Mahamuni Patanjali, who has given the yoga. In the same way, Malcolm is also a great gift from India to the world, and we should cherish and nourish it. So thank you very much for giving me an opportunity and listening to me. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. It's always a pleasure when we have such personalities like you come and address our children. Obviously, all of us have something to learn from each one of you. And thank you so much. It was mentioned that you came just with one request. I really want to thank you. And thank you to Sanjeev Mantri, sir, for making this possible. Sir, we would want you also to say something, and even if it is for just a minute, but say something for our children today.
Namaskar.
Namaskar,
Today, for the first time, the school begins with the virtual classes and new concept. And we have really, I must compliment the teachers and Priyanka madam, that this is so wonderfully organized. The opening is so nice. Prayers, and all students must be feeling that yes, we are in the classroom. That environment you have created, and I must compliment all of you. And second coincidence, that today is the International Malcolm Day. And I will really not thank Udayji, because he is a family member. I need not, if I thank him, he will feel bad. He is a family member. Mantriji, whenever wanted any advice on Malcolm, just used to call him and he was there. So that attachment and affection he has with Vidyanidhi, I will not say Mantri sir, it is Vidyanidhi now. And he has continued it. Let me tell you, when we decided, I think Udayji at 10 or 10:30 p.m., I just messaged him that we are planning like this and we would like you to be there on Zoom. He didn't take a second and replied, yes, I'll be there. So that is the attachment. He is so busy and today several programs he must be having, but Vidyanidhi was the priority. And yes, Udayji, keep the same love with Vidyanidhi and we treat you as family member. Thank you so much and let us continue the program further.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Yes, thank you, sir. Like Mantri sir said that we are family and he doesn't want to say thank you. But I want to say thank you to my entire family who is present here. I can see so many people. Of course, my students, my teachers, some of the parents are there, but along with them, the management members, family members, Udayji, all of y'all are here today to encourage us. And yes, we will, sir, keep this spirit going. Let's hope for a very good virtual future. I want to thank everyone who's present here because this assembly would not have been possible without you. And we wish to close our assembly with a prayer song. The speciality of this prayer song is that the prayer song has been written by one of our parents, Shri Abhay Kumar Kulkarni ji. He has written this and the composition, the music for this prayer song is done by two of our students. One is present here in this assembly because he is in class 8A and his younger brother who is in class 5. So both of them have composed this prayer song, Swarum Kulkarni and Rudra Kulkarni, of whom we have Swarum Kulkarni here who is going to present his own creation. So over to you, Swarum, and I hope all of you enjoy what our children have done.
ईश्वर लड़ने की शक्ति दे हमको, धीरज से पढ़ने की बुद्धि दे सबको, संकट के इस क्षण को मिलके निवारे, जीवन की धारा को मजबूत बनाए, आत्मा की ज्योति को उज्जवल सब कर दो, हे ईश्वर लड़ने की शक्ति दे हमको। हाथों में हाथ लेंगे नहीं अब हम पर पक्का साथ, दिल में लिए हरदम, हाथों में हाथ लेंगे नहीं अब हम पर पक्का साथ, दिल में लिए हरदम, ना हारे घर से निकले ना बाहर अब हम, हे ईश्वर लड़ने की शक्ति दे हमको, धीरज से पढ़ने की बुद्धि दे सबको, संकट के इस क्षण को मिलके निवारे, जीवन की धारा को मजबूत बनाए, आत्मा की ज्योति को उज्जवल सब कर दो, हे ईश्वर लड़ने की शक्ति दे हमको। थैंक यू।
Beautiful, Swarum. Very well done. And please say the same to Rudra also. And thank you, Abhay for writing such a beautiful prayer song and letting us, use it for our school assembly. Thank you so much. We need your support, throughout. So we are expecting that from both of you, Mr. and Mrs. Kulkarni. Thank you so much, everyone, for being present today. And all the students, all the best for your new academic year now, 8th standard. Understand that we have to continue this for at least a few more days, a few more weeks maybe, because of the situation that is going on. So I'm expecting the same cooperation from all of you. Thank you, everyone who's present here. Thank you so much.